Hey everyone! Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and most reliable tech and gadget insights. Today, we're diving into the top 5 CNC machines in 2026, showcasing the most powerful, precise, and innovative tools that can take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a hobbyist, maker, or professional, these machines are designed to deliver unmatched performance and versatility. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you don't miss any of our future reviews. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description box to grab these amazing CNC machines for yourself. Number 5. Genmitsu CNC Machine PROVerXL 6050 Plus. This versatile 3-axis CNC router is perfect for metal, wood, acrylic, and MDF carving. With a large working area of 23.62 inches by 19.69 inches by 4.53 inches, a 300-watt spindle motor, and an all-metal frame, the PROVerXL 6050 Plus is faster, more accurate, and stronger than ever. It features dual HG15 linear rails, a single Y-axis T10 lead screw, and durable aluminum T-track grids for MDF spoil boards. Pre-assembled core systems and manual jog wheels on NEMA 23-stepper motors make setup and adjustments easy, letting you start carving your projects quickly. Number 4. Snapmaker Artisan Premium 3-in-1. The Snapmaker Artisan combines dual extrusion, 3D printing, 40-watt laser engraving, and 200-watt CNC carving in a single desktop machine. Its 400 by 400 by 400 millimeters large work area and modular quick-swap toolheads allow you to switch between 3D printing, laser, and CNC in under a minute. Built with industrial-grade steel guide rails and a die-cast baseplate, it's precise, rigid, and durable. With support for over 600 materials, from PLA, ABS, and nylon for 3D printing, to wood, metal, and acrylic for CNC carving, it's a true all-in-one solution for creative makers. Number 3. Carvera Air Desktop CNC with 4th axis. Designed for hobbyists and professionals alike, the Carvera Air is a compact, enclosed mini CNC mill featuring a quick tool changer, auto probing, and closed-loop stepper motors. The optional 4th axis enables cylindrical machining and 3D shapes with a rotary work area of 3.6 inches diameter by 7.9 inches length. It supports materials like wood, plastics, and metals, while the closed-loop spindle control ensures high precision and surface quality. Perfect for advanced multi-step projects, it's a smart, automated choice for detailed carving and milling. Number 2. Axiom Precision 24 inches by 36 inches. CNC Router Iconic 6. This large-format CNC router features a high-rigidity extruded aluminum frame, a 1 horsepower, 800 watts electrospindle, and a precision ball screw system across all axes. With an integrated MDF spoil board, auto tool touch-off plate, and prismatic guides, it delivers excellent accuracy and repeatability. Number 1. Laguna Desktop CNC Router Creator Pro. The top pick of 2026, the Laguna Creator Pro features a 2.2 kilowatt, 3 horsepower, ER20 electrospindle, a working area of 28.4 inches by 63 inches, and full 360 degrees C-axis rotation. Its high-rigidity aluminum gantry and precision 16mm ball screws deliver positional accuracy of plus or minus 0.00393 inches, and the liquid-cooled spindle system keeps it running smoothly even on tough materials. Included are a dust shoe, hold-down clamps, and colettes, plus a robust onboard setup for metal, wood, and composite machining. This is a professional-grade desktop CNC, ready for your most demanding projects.